PSIDians will achieve their goal. PSIDians will achieve their goal. अरमा है दिल में कुछ कर गुजरने की, हो अरमा है दिल में कुछ कर गुजरने की, पाने की मंजिल को, छूने की आसमां को।
PSIT College of Higher Education welcome the participants to the webinar on emerging dimensions of BBA education in present scenario, its proficiency and demand in the industry. I request participants to drop their questions in the chat box. We will have question answer session at the end. Now I request Dr. Shivani Kapoor, Director PSIT College of Higher Education, to brief us about the BBA course offered by PSIT College of Higher Education.
Hello everyone. I extend my warm welcome to all the panelists present here and the young aspirants of BBA program. Welcome to the session. An investment in knowledge always pays off the best interest. And the industry and academia are always complementary. They go hand in hand and they have a lifelong association. BBA program offers an opportunity to the students to acquire professional skills in the early stage of their career as managerial professionals. The undergraduate program offers a deep understanding and development of important business skills such as leadership, communication skills, critical thinking, and decision making. Now, the course duration is sufficient to learn a wide range of topics such as accounting principles, business law, financial management, computer fundamentals, and marketing. These subjects create a strong background for the aspiring MBAs. BBA course is perfect fit to match the demands of various industries for managerial roles. On completion of the program, one can easily find a lucrative entry-level job. The program helps you to develop managerial approach from its beginning of the program. PSIT College of Higher Education is a reputed college which offers quality education at an affordable fee. It is affiliated to Kanpur University, that is Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University. BBA at PSIT College of Higher Education makes students to learn about the competitive business world in which both public sector and the private sector operate. In today's competitive employment market, it becomes vital to be well qualified in the areas of your interest. Hence, BBA from PSIT College of Higher Education serves as a ticket to management career. It offers an industry-integrated BBA program that aims to bridge the gap between the industry and academia. The industry-oriented curriculum of the course enhances the business skills required for the global corporate world. The pedagogies to impart education include internships, case studies, project work, intensive training, presentations, industrial visits, and challenging assignments apart from routine classroom study. A mind is a fire to be kindled, not a vessel to be filled. PSIT College of Higher Education inspires students to think differently. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of a true education. And PSIT College of Higher Education keeps on trying on new ideas, philosophies, and subjects, and finally encourages to arrive at conclusion through critical thinking. This is the epitome of a genuine education. I would like Mrs. Garima Gupta to take over and throw more light on it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Very rightly said. BBA is the upcoming professional choice of youngsters and even corporates these days. In order to make students industry ready, PSIT College of Higher Education not only focuses on academics as well as on extracurricular activities. In regard to this, I request our senior faculty member Prashant Trivedi sir to brief us about best practices followed at PSIT College of Higher Education.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to express my gratitude for providing me this platform to interact with such a lovely audience. I, Prashant Trivedi, Assistant Professor, PSIT College of Higher Education, will be taking you through the best practices which we follow at PSIT College of Higher Education. For sharing you with that information, I'll be needing a PPT. So PSIT College of Higher Education is an epitome of knowledge, professional acumen, and success. At PSIT College of Higher Education, you are learning from the best. You are learning at the best and you are learning from the best. PSIT College of Higher Education is one of the best colleges providing BBA. And at PSIT College of Education, the faculty which we had, all of the faculties, they are UGC NET qualified. Most of the faculties are PhD. Most of the faculties are having rich corporate experience. So you are learning from the best. You are learning from those people who know the best. So you have huge opportunities to learn. The focus of our academics is on the application aspect. It is not only the syllabus which is prescribed by the university, but how to apply that knowledge. That is our main focus area. So we have so many student activities, group activities, students organizing events, group presentations, combined, learning and all those stuff, so that you learn how to apply that knowledge which you are learning in the classroom through various concepts. The orientation of our academics is focused on industry requirements. We have a constant system of monitoring your performance. So at every step we are with you. You are not alone. If you are not able to, cope up with the pace, we are there to help you. We are here to guide you. We are there to hold your hand and take you towards the right path. There are complete and continuous support and counseling for students. Each and every student is connected to his coordinator, the faculties, the HOD, the dean, the director. So there is an open channel of communication. You are always having an opportunity to interact, to learn from the faculties, to share your problems with the faculties, to get answers to your questions, and to learn, while interacting with them also, not only in the classroom, but outside also. So you are never alone. You always have proper support of your faculty members. We have a very flexible pedagogy. So that is a blend of conventional methods along with the modern methods. We have those class boards installed, but we also have projectors. We have multimedia support. So you are not only getting the conventional way of, learning, but you are also getting an opportunity to learn from the modern ways. You see, most of the institutions have, felt that there is some kind of suffering in the academics during this COVID times. But let me tell you that at PSIT College of Higher Education, the flow of academics, the flow of syllabus, the flow of studies was very smooth, very, lucid during this torrid time also. Why? Because we already had this habit of having online classes, online tests, and different online activities. So we are in constant touch with our students. We are providing them with the right blend of, right blend of online classes along with, supporting materials, different videos, so that they can learn to the best in their academics, suffering at all. Let me tell you one more thing about, and one thing very interesting, that in each and every subject, we try to, incorporate case studies. Why case studies? Because whatever you are learning, you have to apply it. And whatever you are applying, that should have some, some base to it. So case studies are there in each and every unit. Our focus is that our students should learn the concepts and apply them to the real world, right? So for your holistic development, academics plus activities, what are those academic plus activities? We have a weekly newspaper session called World This Week. So this session is like where in 50 minutes, news from different domains published in different newspapers is recited by the students. So in this span of 50 odd minutes, you are able to get update of all the happenings around the world, be it international politics, business, economics, sports, or whatever, whatever area or domain. You get all the knowledge in those 50 minutes, and you are sharing that knowledge also. We give you presentation training, and we also organize, inter-student competition for it. So how to give oral presentation, what are group presentation, how to make PPTs, all those things you are trained. And we organize different competitions also. So hand on hand, like you are learning about the industry, you are learning about the things, and you are making presentations so that you know how to present it. You're not only learning, but you're not also gaining the presentation skills. Various persona enhancement sessions are organized for our students to, enhance their confidence, enhance their personality. There are sessions, regular sessions for IT skills also, right? So how to, work on Excel, how to work on, various other, browsers like internet. So many things are there. So these sessions help you in coping up with the pace of, whatever things are happening around the world, you are able to match it. Then online tests are there, that I had already told you, that already we are into these online things so that our students, they keep abreast of everything. Training for CAT subjects is also provided to our students. So students who are, serious about their higher studies and they want to join IIMs, we are very helpful. These training sessions are very helpful for them. Session for building values and ethics. Values and ethics have integral part of everybody's life. So we provide, those values and ethics also, so that you not only become a professional, but you also become a good human being. See the glimpse of these yoga pictures. These yoga sessions are organized by Dr. APS Bhadoria, our dean. You see that students are benefited by these sessions. For your holistic development, there are several opportunities to showcase your talent also. There is Ignitia, our cultural and technical fest. There are FATES, there are MUNs, there are various student projects displays. There are celebrity visits, there are TEDx events. You just talk about it and find everything in every opportunity which is available to anybody. Anywhere, you'll get those opportunity here at PSID College of Higher Education. See, our students exhibiting their student projects, they have not only won accolades at the college level, but also at various other university level competitions also. See, these are our own students. Look at them. Look at these projects. They are real-time surveillance project, who at Reno. These are all BBA students, but they have imbibed their skills, they have learned, and they have applied that knowledge. Not only the technical things, but you also get ample opportunities to showcase your cultural talent also, your music talent, your dancing skills. There are various celebrities who are gracing several occasions, who are welcome at PSIT at time to time. See, Sukhvinder Singh was one of the celebrity. Hardy Sandhu was there. There was John Abraham. There were so many celebrities, who are there at PSIT College of Higher Education, and you are able to meet them. You are able to talk with them. You are able to learn from them. Look at this picture. You remember most of the faces. I'm not going to take names of these people. Right? Do you recognize all of them? Are you able to recognize John Abraham? So people from all walks of life, like be it the lyricists, be it the spiritual leaders, be it the politicians, you will get an opportunity to interact, to learn from their experiences at PSIT College of Higher Education. See, you remember, you're able to recognize Sushant Singh Rajput and Bhumi Pednekar. This crowd is all PSIT students. So there are time to time, these people are there, they are invited by us, and they are here, and you guys are interacting with them and learning from their experience. From time to time, we organize TEDx events also. So here again, newer ideas, better ways of communication, you get an ample opportunity to showcase that skill also. For your holistic development, you need to be corporate ready also. So from time to time, various corporates, various entrepreneurs and academicians are invited, and they are here to give you the correct guidance, the right way of living, so that if you want to become an entrepreneur, you have an idea. If you want to become, a part of a corporate, corporate or an industry, you have those skills. And if you want to become an academician also, so all those point of views are with you. You have so many options, and that widens your scope of learning after doing this BBA program, BBA course. So there are add-on sessions also on various different skills which are required by the corporates, required by the industry. You see, we are not confined to the syllabus prescribed by Kanpur University. We have so many add-ons like sessions for R Studio, sessions for data analysis using Python, sessions for digital marketing, sessions for Tableau, corporate training, various industrial visits, sessions, budget sessions. So all those things help you in developing yourself from all the directions. You are corporate ready when you are, you are completing your course. You are having all those skills which are required by the corporates, nationally and internationally. See, look at the industrial visits. Our students, they have visited NMDC, they have visited Aksh Optical Fiber, they have visited GAIL at Jaipur, they have visited Kushal Foods. So like from time to time, we organize these industrial visits for our students so that you get to learn that whatever you are taught in the class, how that concept is applied. Similarly, you get an opportunity for online courses. You must have heard about NPTEL, must have heard about Coursera, must have heard about spoken tutorials. So all those online, courses and online opportunities are there for our students, and we, provide them with a mentor. So that mentor is having few students under him, and so that every student have a mentor, and they are doing these online MOOCs, getting advantage of these online certification programs also to not only boost their CVs, but also boost their knowledge. Various workshops are organized, various faculty development programs are organized, various, we motivate our students for research work and internships at various corporates. So internship is one of the most important part of your learning. During the session, during the semester, whenever students are there, during the semester, whatever you have learned, between the semester, you get an opportunity to look at the real world, to look at the real, corporates, real companies. You just go there, you are trained by various corporates over there, and you get to know that how these things which you know in the classroom are actually applied. So again, the application is the key. And from time to time, every year we are committed to organize one FDP and an international conference. Let me tell you how. See, this international conference on significance of yoga and South Asian culture in modern management practices. This was an international conference which was graced by Kalraj Mishra ji, Shri Patnaik, Dr. Murli Manohar Joshi, and people from various corners of world graced this occasion. We have delegates from Ukraine, delegates from Australia, delegates from Nepal, Iran, Bangladesh. So there are various delegates, and from India also. So more than 800 delegates, graced and got opportunity to learn from these eminent scholars, these eminent personalities. And our students were also, blessed by all this, this international conference. So it was a huge opportunity to learn. As far as the FDPs are concerned, we had organized an FDP on multivariate analysis using R, and the resource person was Dr. Neeraj Kaushik. He's one of the most, very popular, very eminent personality in the field of statistics, and he blessed us with his knowledge. Now, I won't tell you about this picture. You just guess, and I know that you are guessing it correctly. The authorities of PSIT College of Higher Education, they are inviting for the President of India, and you know why and for what occasion we are inviting him. It is a very big achievement for any college to have the president. It is not only an achievement for the college, but for the whole city to have the president of India in their campus, and we did it. The President of India was at PSIT College of Higher Education. See, look at him. The president is inaugurating the event. He is there at PSIT College of Higher Education. The name of the conference was International Conference on Recent Advancements in Computer Technology and Computer Communication and Information Technology. Along with the president, the governor of UP, the Vice Chancellor, the Deputy CM. There are so many delegates again from various corners of the world, from Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Australia, Netherlands, Ukraine. All those were there gracing the occasion and sharing their knowledge with the delegates, and our students were getting benefit of that knowledge sharing. So there are so many things to share with you, but I would like to rest my speech here so that my fellow speakers get a chance to guide you, to make you learn more about PSIT College of Higher Education. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. As students' overall personality develops with a blend of academics and extracurricular activities, which are followed as best practices at PSIT College of Higher Education. Beside academics and related activities, rigorous training sessions are conducted for students at PSIT College of Higher Education to enhance their analytical skills, communication skills, and interpersonal skills. To have detailed insight on training at PSIT College of Higher Education, I request Purnima ma'am from Training Department to kindly throw light on training module followed at PSIT College of Higher Education.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now here, I would like to tell you as in why this training, this English training is important in any of the streams. Or let's say like we are starting the classes in BBA or BCA or BTech. What is the importance of this English training? I would like to throw some light on the training aspects with the help of a PPT, wherein we have segregated two sections, as in like first years, second years. So there is a different bunch of trainers in the first year, there is a different set of trainers in the second year. But here through the PPT, I would like to tell you like what are we gonna teach, or what actually do we teach in first years, and how do we go about in the second years. So let's start with the PPT, which can give you a clear idea as in like what is all training in PSIT. So let me show you the PPT. Okay, so if I have to say what is the training all about? So before I start, I would just like to tell you what is the objective behind this training. So let's say the first and the last objective of training students apart from their academic curriculum is to develop the ability to clear competitive exams. Whenever a student enrolls himself or herself in a professional course, the ultimate objective of the student is to get the placement. Now, be it the placement is got by the student through the college or outside the college, but the student should be ready enough to clear the interviews, to clear the OLTs, online tests, and to clear all the parameters which are set by the recruiter of the company. Now, let's say when we start the training process, let's start with the first year. So when in the first year, student comes to us, student is a raw material. Now we need to understand what is the depth, or what are all the areas which student has already covered. Or let's say because the majority of students are there in the class, so we need to understand that what is the normal pace on which each and every student is there. So for that, we start with the very basics, like let's say parts of speech. So in that, we first of all start with all the parts of speech like noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, and we understand what is the level of the student. Gradually, we go to homophones, then the vocabulary. Vocabulary, I would like to say that vocabulary is one of the things by which the communication can be made much more stronger. If your vocab is good, if the words used in your sentences are good, then definitely it creates an impact on the other person to whom you are conversing. Antonyms, synonyms. If vocabulary is known to you, then definitely its opposites, its synonyms should be known to you, so that in case if you have to use the other words in place of them, you can easily do so. Then after that, we also deal with finding the odd words out so as to check the mental ability of the students. All these things are covered in the first year. And then we tell the student that yes, these things are important as in for the first year. And then gradually when the student moves in the second year, we have a different set of plan. Second year, we start with sentence correction. Normally, when a student speaks, a student doesn't know what error the student is making in the sentence. But yes, in the second years, we try to tell the student that yes, what is important for the student and how can the corrections be made in the sentence. Then tagging the questions, because this is one of the very basic thing, that when a sentence is being spoken, right after, if one person has to ask a question, then what could be the suitable question. Tense is very important, because you need to understand in which tense you are speaking, and definitely if the tense goes wrong, the entire meaning of the sentence goes wrong. Vocabulary here also we have put in, because vocabulary is something which is actually a continuous study. You cannot remove that. Sentence completion, as in we do in the form of fill in the blanks, we do in the form of half given sentences and then completed. Then subject verb agreement and noun pronoun agreement, which is the most essential part of a communication. If your verb is wrongly placed with the subject, the entire meaning goes wrong. If your pronoun is wrongly placed with the noun, then definitely the entire meaning of the subject goes wrong. Spotting the errors. Let's say we would be giving you the sentences and there would be certain errors. So you would be finding out what is the error in the sentence. Last but not the least, the reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is something that is already given to you, and the student has to interpret the correct meaning of the comprehension. And then finally, the questions which are given in the end, they need to answer on the basis of the passage, answer on the basis of whatever is written in the passage. So this interpretation and then answering the questions given in the passage is very, very important. Now here the last one is sentence rearrangement. Sentence rearrangement is like 4 to 5 options are given to you of the sentence. Actually, a paragraph is broken into 5 sentences and these sentences are placed randomly. You need to segregate them so that a proper meaning of the sentence comes. So these are the things by which we cover all the topics in the first year and the second year. Now, if we say that the communication would be over only with the grammar portion, so this would be incomplete. So apart from the grammar, we also focus on the spoken activities. Let's say if the student has become good in the grammar portion, but the student doesn't know how to speak those sentences grammatically correct in front of the audience, then the grammar is really a waste. So we help the students come out of their hitch, come out of their hesitation by repeatedly conducting group discussions, mock interviews, spoken activities, for example, extemporaries, pair conversation, role plays, etc. in the class, which help the student not only to come out of their hesitation, but also allow them to explore their ideas, to widen their horizon, and then tell the audience as in what do they understand. Now, this communication exercise is not only restricted to the second year, we always and we parallelly, we simultaneously plan all these activities, including the grammar portions. That means, let's say we are having a 2 hours class. So basically 1 hour we focus on the grammar portion and the other hour we focus on the spoken English. So parallelly and simultaneously, both the things go on. So in this way, I can say that this was something which can tell you that yes, how the training goes on in PSIT. And let's say if we are able to share all these things, if we are able to share all these things with the students, and definitely if the student is able to perform well in the placements, then yes, it's a good sign to us. And we feel honored, we feel proud when our students get placed and they get good offers in the companies with a good package. So, my dear students, here Purnima Sharma would like to end and say that all the best to you all. Be a part of the English training and get yourself highlighted at a level. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing training module with us, which is followed at PSIT College of Higher Education. We not only develop students for the job, but we also provide an ecosystem where we develop entrepreneurs. In order to let our participants know the best practices that we follow at PSIT College of Higher Education to develop entrepreneurs, I would request Mr. Deepak Srivastava sir, our senior faculty member, to kindly do the needful. Sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am, for providing me this opportunity to share and discuss one of the most interesting and expanding horizons of PSIT College of Higher Education, that is entrepreneurship and the social connect. Well, entrepreneurs are going to play very, very vital role in the new world order. The new world order that thinks development in terms of its sustainability index. Here, we at PSIT have been practicing entrepreneurship since long, that has become a way of teaching, way of delivering our lectures and topics where students are taught to think beyond the box. As you can see that this is a dynamic model that keeps changing and new additions are done over the period of time whenever some requirements are thought to be existing there. Like right from the very beginning, some talents are explored and they are motivated to think beyond the box, to go an extra mile to understand that what is the right way of thinking in terms of creating something new. They are educated about various dimensions of entrepreneurship. Opportunities are provided to them to go to various entrepreneurship drives to understand as why and how entrepreneurship is required. They are mentored along with the the entire process that they have learned during these durations. And then if any kind of mentorship is required, obviously that is, then the right mentors are associated with those ideas or the talents, and then an incubation takes place. Students are motivated to think and participate in terms of all the changes that are happening in that particular business idea or the product project idea. And then if any funding is required, we have associations with number of government institutions and organizations where these students are or their business ideas are matched with the startup funding organizations, and handholding support has been provided in past for converting these ideas into institutions or organizations or the business ideas. Next, we have a practice of conducting these entrepreneurship development module in this way, where ideas are tested, the new opportunity is identified, resources are committed, and then this is ensured that a full market entry can be done. When in past number of product or business ideas have been floated, and then this is ensured that how they grow, in what dimensions their growth is being hampered, or they are required to change their strategy, then they are advised accordingly. And if they want, they can even sell, because this is something angel investors are doing right now and nowadays. Therefore I said that we understand that this is a dynamic model and new changes keep changing and keep taking place in this dimension. So let's see a little about how the life is there at PSIT. What are the facilities which are very very important for any student to understand that how the college thinks in terms of the facilities being provided to the students. This is the, because it is so said that when a student has to be playful, it has energy that has to be channelized in the right order, and this is the available resources which are provided to the students so as their development is in all the dimensions. Here you can see that this is a town hall with nearly 1400 seating capacity auditorium, which is a breathtaking sight of this audience hall or town hall has been praised by a number of visitors, number of government organizations and other entrepreneur drives and even recruiters. So that has been one of the powerful feature of PSIT, College of Higher Education. And dining hall has the capacity of more than 1,200 boys and 600 girls. Here you can see what kind of hostel rooms are provided. We have on-campus hostels, AC, non-AC, both are available. We have a fleet of 30 AC buses, which ensure that every corner of city is covered, and that kind of security and safety is ensured to the students. This is the powerful feature of our institution, and the vision of the top management is reflected in the way, in terms how good facilities are being provided to the students. Our drinking water supply for all, 33 kV power supply directly from powerhouse. So that kind of dependency is not there on this supply system. Hygienic AC dining halls are there. Now, moving to the next topic, that is Social Connect. PSIT College of Higher Education is one of the most active and participating institutions of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan in Uttar Pradesh. So, though this is a flagship program of MHRD, Government of India, PSIT College of Higher Education is one of those 45 active participants identified recently. This is a team of the teachers and students. They are the professors of high eminence, and the students are there, which have this zeal and enthuse to go deeper into the society, and social connect is established. We have adopted 5 villages of a village near Shivli. Here, recently, the most recent activity that was held by under the banner of UBA was about distributing masks and sanitizers to the villagers of Baranpur Shivli. That has been adopted by the UBA. Here you will see that this kind of activity takes place where the villagers or the rural people are told about the government schemes. The hindrances that they face in getting the benefits of those schemes are resolved herewith, and the students have been very much participative in converting these kind of government schemes into really delivering ones. Here we discussed with the principals of those inter colleges or the higher secondary colleges, schools, where students were taught about sanitations, students were taught about new women development programs. So that kind of activities are very, very much welcomed by students, and this also gives them a sense of becoming a very, very responsible citizen. You can see that some friendly matches were played with the villagers and by the students, and that kind of connect has been established very well, and they relish the way that they have moved to the villages and they talk to the villagers and listen to their problems, and those problems have been shared with the government bodies as well. Here in this slide, we can see that generally these are the practices that are conducted. Village Connect. Here, the students and the professors are telling villagers about Swachh Bharat mission, under which every village was ensured to be ODF, and the village that is right now is being contacted is Malasa village, where the ODF was earlier only 33%, and after the drive it reached up to 78%. The various authorities of the government we visited, and we visit to the to conduct a survey of the villagers, whether they are having and using the toilets and right persons who are using this in their family.
Thank you so much, sir, for making our participants aware about so many fruitful activities. The placement cell at PSIT College of Higher Education operates year-round to facilitate contacts between companies and graduates. As a result, reputed companies visit PSIT College of Higher Education to recruit BBA students. I request Jayanandini ma'am from Corporate Relation Department to highlight about the placement activities at PSIT College of Higher Education.
The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. We, the corporate relations team at PSIT College of Higher Education, ensures that each and every student in our campus gets their dream job. We are glad to share that we have set a benchmark when it comes to placements. Our students have been offered with the salary ranging from 3 to 7.5 lakhs per annum. Our placement conversion for last 2 consecutive years has been above 85%. If we talk about this year's highest package, we have 5.20 LPA, which is offered by Extra Marks Education. Some of our esteemed recruiters for BBA are Godrej and Boyes, the largest homegrown and personal care company in India. We have big giants of IT sector, IBM, Wipro, and Capgemini. Talking about retail, we have international brand like Tommy Hilfiger. Then coming to e-learning, we have Byju's and Extra Marks Education. The other top brands in the list are Justdial, Policy Bazaar, Artec Infosystem, HDFC Sales, and many more. We always make sure that our students make the best use of the strengths and skills that they have got. And for the same, we make them aware about the different career scopes that BBA can offer. Marketing, operations and logistics, retail, media, business development, and content writing are some of the career avenues. For ensuring that our students are industry ready, we organize guest lectures by corporate experts to understand latest industry trends. We encourage our students to go for the internship opportunities that hone their skills and prepares them for the campus placement. We have many companies which comes for the campus placement. Apart from that, they recruit our students for the internships also. Our biggest achievement is not in just achieving numbers, but our achievement is when we see happy and cheerful faces of our students who get placed. I think that's what makes us different from others.
Thank you, ma'am. We at PSIT College of Higher Education are highly committed to students' overall development, be it academics, be it co-curricular activities, corporate training, placements, etc., etc. Let us see what our alums has to share with us.
Hello everyone, my name is Adiba and I graduated in BBA from PSIT last year in 2019, and currently I am a professional working as an associate recruiter at Net2Source, and I got into it through campus placement. My journey at PSIT has been great all through, as the support of the staff and mentors has really been great, and we are taught to tackle the milestones with appropriate measures.
Good afternoon. PSIT College of Higher Education goes without saying that it's a place where we've got the right direction to our career, right mentoring to the skills we realized, right utilization of time as a critical resource, and above all, right and acceptable professional approach. Everything out here is the best in class. Infrastructure, faculty, training, extra and co-curricular activities, outreach activities, entrepreneurial mentoring, social connect, and last but obviously not the least, the unmatched placement track record. We just have to give our best and the rest is taken care of. Thank you, PSIT College of Higher Education.
Hey everyone, my name is Ayushi Shrivastava and I have completed my BBA from PSIT College of Higher Education. I have been placed with Net2Source as an associate recruiter. My journey in PSIT has been an amazing experience. It is one of the richest memories that I'll cherish forever. PSIT provides an excellent environment where one can enhance its productive as well as creative skills. I would like to thank all my faculty members, staff members, my director ma'am, my MD Shefali Raj ma'am for helping me in my placement drive, as well as for helping other students to get placements in good companies. Thank you.
PSIT College of Higher Education goes without saying that this is a place where we got right direction to our career, right mentoring to the skills we develop, right utilization of time as a critical resource, and above all, right and acceptable professional approach. Everything out here is best in class. Infrastructure, faculty, extra co-curricular outreach activities, entrepreneurial mentoring, social connect, and last but obviously not the least, the unmatched placement track records. We just have to give our best and rest is taken care of. Thank you so much, PSIT College of Education.
Thank you everyone for such a nice sharing. Now it's time for question and answer. I would request Dr. APS Bhadoria, Dean, PSIT College of Higher Education, to answer the queries. The first question that we have with us is, where I should contact for admission? Sir, please answer this.
Thank you very much, ma'am. BBA aspirants can reach out our website psitche.ac.in or psit.ac.in for admissions, or they can directly contact our counselors at given number between 8:30 a.m. 6 p.m. from Monday to Sunday.
Thank you, sir. Second question from the participants is that how they will pay the fee at PSIT College of Higher Education.
As far as depositing of fee is concerned, you will be provided with a link to deposit the fee online from your home.
With this, we come to the end of the webinar. Thank you everyone for your active participation. Thank you so much.